In today's episode, some delicious summer drinks you can make when you just want to chill. First up, matcha and chocolate DALGONA latte. Make sure you get a good quality, full-fat can of coconut milk, and it'll also help if you put it in the fridge because it'll help the coconut cream rise to the top of the can. 1 cup coconut cream, 3 tablespoons cane sugar, pinch of pink salt. This is amazing Japanese matcha. Sift 2 teaspoons of matcha to prevent clumps. Two tablespoons hot water. Whisk until frothy. So basically using the same portion as my espresso version of the DALGONA coffee. Matcha. Whisk on high for 2 minutes. Look at that. Beautiful. Fill a cup with ice. Coconut or almond milk, 3/4 of the way. Look at that amazing matcha foam. Sprinkle of matcha. That is literally it. Now, on to the chocolate. 1 cup coconut cream. 3 tablespoons cane sugar. Pinch of pink salt. Sift 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Two tablespoons hot water. Whisk on high for 2 minutes. Fill a cup with ice. Pour your coconut or almond milk 3/4 of the way. Be generous with that amazing chocolate foam. Cocoa powder. You can now whip up these 2 delicious drinks with absolute confidence. Up next, a delicious and fun drink you can make. Pineapple coconut smoothie. You need a little bit of patience for this part. Just go slice around. Make an X in the pineapple. Loosen and scoop out the pineapple with a spoon. Just do your best and scoop out as much of that pineapple as you can. Just have a little bit of patience. Just look at this amazing deliciousness. It smells incredible. Now, you'll get better results if you use frozen pineapple, but it is optional. About 1 cup worth of frozen pineapple. 1 cup coconut milk. 1 banana. Blend on high. Pour the amazing smoothie back into the pineapple. You can now enjoy this incredible smoothie in a creative and fun way. Next up, one of the simplest drinks you can make. Cold brew iced coffee. French press. 2 tablespoons ground coffee. 3 cups water. Let's put the lid on, but don't press yet. Place in the fridge overnight. Half teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon maple syrup. 1/2 cups cold brew coffee. Ice. 1/2 cup almond or coconut milk. You can now make this easy and delicious cold brew iced coffee with absolute confidence. Lastly, the upgraded version of one of my childhood's favorite drinks. Purple taro milk tea. Preheat the oven to 375. Peel the purple potatoes. Chop the potato into small cubes. This will help it cook faster. Place the potato on one side of the baking tray, lined with parchment paper. Peel the taro. Chop the taro into same small size cubes so it cooks at the same time as the potato. Place the taro on the other side of the baking tray. Bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the inside is soft. Blender. Roughly 1 tablespoon of purple potato and 1 tablespoon of taro. 1.5 cups coconut or almond milk. 1.5 tablespoons cane sugar. Blend on high until emulsified. Serve this milk tea with ice. You can now make this amazing milk tea with absolute confidence. That is so delicious, and there's actually not that much taro in it, which is amazing because your taro will really yield many of these drinks. And on top of that, it is purple. Just look at that. Without having to add any weird colors. That's just amazing. Definitely want to try this recipe, and be sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.